I think my favorite anime at the minute is Dandadan. Loving it. I like Blue Lock too, but the animation at Dandadan is better. Story in Blue Lock, I like the story, but this Dandadan has good story and good animation. So let's draw Turbo Granny, this creepy demon. So landscape page, pencil eraser, hip pause, good fast. Full body for this one, sort of hunched over, weird mask going on. So face is kind of small, we'll put it in here. Right, and we'll start with a frown. Start with a frowning forehead. Right, and we'll go like that. And her eyes are like looking in all different directions. And it's kind of dark around the outside. So, they're just kind of circles, really. Down, da, da, down, da, da. The animation is quality in this. Kind of disappointed in Blue Lock's animation. But anyway, can't have it all. So her eyes are like looking in different directions, right? So you gotta go pupil, going that way, pupil, going that way. And then she's got like a bullseye thing going on. Right, and then her nose, a little wide, right? Kind of square, like bulbous kind of nose, with a flat. And it's drawn real rough, like it's not, you know, like super detailed or anything. They say she's got these wide cheekbones, sort of here. This one's under hair, I think, but we'll draw it in. And this comes down that way. So then she got 2 rows of massive teeth. So we got the side of the teeth here. Now her hand is coming across her face, but I'm just going to draw it in and we can sort of erase if we need to. Right, it's kind of easier. And if you don't want to draw the hand, obviously, you can avoid that altogether. So our big chin then. And then, so the center line for those teeth here. And then the tops just bumping. Kind of oddly shaped as well. They're not like even or anything. Not in this scene of the anime anyway. It's the best one I could find. Apart from when she's like looking close up at her. At the other granny. The anime of grannies. Excuse me. Teeth lines. Boop, 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 boop. Oops, there. I'll bring that all the way up, I think. Yeah, they do all go actually right up to that line. Okay. So then, like, she's got like these frowning sort of forehead lines as well. Kind of go around her, go underneath her hair. And then there's these lines that come down like her cheek. When you're closer up on her, you can see more of them, but we're not close up, so like when animators are drawing characters far away, they put less detail. Is there any on her chin? No, looks like it's just her face. Well, it's like some cracks and stuff. Maybe some cracks and things just make her look a bit beat up. Right, so spikes, hair spikes, right? Fringe, simple sort of spikes like this, right? and she's got 2 strands that hang down. And again, her hand is in front of this one, but it's kind of easier to draw things when characters are like this. Not all the time, but with something like this, it's better to kind of draw it in and then erase afterwards when you draw over things. So hanging down, and then the hand is here, but this other side sort of hangs down here as well. Like this other bit of her hair, sort of. Oh, here. Sorry. Got confused there for a second. Right, so we'll just bring it down. It goes behind the hand here as well, but again, I'm just going to draw it in and we can figure it out. So these go all the way around, like her head, like with all these spikes. They do get a little bit bigger on top. Dandadan. Where are we going? This way. Yeah, and it'll go down behind her arm. So, what way? This way. And this will go, like, this goes behind her arm. I can't see that. So, I'm going to jump. I'm going to leave a gap. Because the arm comes in here, just beside her teeth. You could draw it in if you wanted. No harm. So this kind of curves around here. Okay, and there's like some textures and stuff every now and then in here. Okay. And then like she's got like long hair that goes down her back because she's all hunched over. So now, no body, right? She's on all fours. One hand coming across onto her face. And then one down here. And then 2 knees. Right, so I'll do legs, arms, and then we'll like zoom in on feet and hands. So like the hair actually keeps going this way, right? And that leg comes out from here. Right, so leg. So this is like hair that goes around, but there's a leg that comes out from here. Right, and it's kind of just drawn there. And like her body's all contorted, like it's like the Exorcist sort of stuff, you know, demon. Like her trousers is all ripped and torn and everything, you know, everything's sort of tattered. And so that's a knee and a shin. Right, and there's a knee and a shin over here that comes out from behind hair as well, I think. So that's a sore foot. Right, we'll go this way. Boom. Right, so bottom of her leg there. And then it's kind of skinny, so I'll go that way. And that's like all pointy on top for a kneecap. And there's like all hair spikes here. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Right, and so then bottom of her trousers is ripped. Like that. Like a fold line or something else. So we'll get in the rest of this sort of hair, right? So it goes hair spike. And I'm going to start going all around her body now. And we're going to meet an arm somewhere here. So her arm comes out of here somewhere. Because her shoulder's in behind her head there, so we'll go... Sorry, I'll move my hand for a second. Sometimes I get caught up. So arm here, arm here. We'll go down here and do this arm first, right? It's probably easier. All these, I don't know if it's like her limbs that are twisted, but everything seems twisted, basically, like on her arm. So it's got all these kind of spiral lines. And again, maybe it's her actual anatomy, but I'm not sure. And her wrist is just starting there then. So that's her arm, basically. Like, it's real thin. And it's green, so it's got like a dark green part with lines coming down this way. And the other arm, so it's like a cross here. So let's see. Again, we've got these little sort of twisty spiral lines. The inside of this. And then her wrist goes down this way. And there's some folds around this. Right, a bit more hair here. And then there should be some fold lines in there. Ah, so that's pretty tricky, but that's what she's like. This is what we're dealing with. So I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to do the fist here first, because it's simpler in my opinion. So we'll go wrist coming out. It's like she's punching herself in the face or something. So coming down, comes across her face. So we got like a couple of knuckles here. And then long nails in here. So say for example, first one, spiky nail there, right? Next one, spiky nail there. And I'll color them black just so they're a bit clearer. They are black in the show as well, so. Right, and then the final is there right now. Oddly shaped, but that's okay because she is like creepy. And it comes onto her face, and then her wrist just kind of palm of her hand goes down there, you know, like all bumps and stuff. Can't see her thumb, but that makes it easier for us. Her other hand is outstretched flat down here, right? So it's much longer. So the wrist kind of just comes and her thumb, and then each finger then is real knobbly and spiky then, right? Just real long bumpy fingers, like real exaggerated knuckle joints and stuff, almost like a skeleton, you know. Okay, and there might be like some webbing in between And there is knuckle lines. Palm of the hand, like back of her hand is all bones and stuff on it as well. And I'll just colour these black just so they're a bit clearer. Feet. Turbo Granny's feet. I never thought I'd ever say anything like that in my life. Turbo Granny's feet. Okay, let's draw Turbo Granny's feet. Back of her heel. Right, so cartoony drawn. Very basic, just like not a lot of detail put into these. Rightly so. So like just flat flip-flops with gnarly pointy toes coming out. So big toe is obviously rounder than the rest. But we'll just add maybe the spiky claws might be easier to draw first when we're so far away from the detail of this. And maybe like, yeah, there's one more. Now, we'll just go like this. That worked out. Feet are hard. It can go either way. That one doesn't look too bad. I'm going to give her an ankle because why not? And the other one's kind of, there's a bit more detail in this one, right? So she has her ankle bone there drawn in. And then this foot's kind of a bit bigger, right? So you can see this flip-flop coming around here is like extra lines, and it's kind of like ripped and torn and stuff on top. It's all tattered, sort of ripped flip-flop. Like so. And then these claws. And that's her big toe, so it's round because it's right in front of us. Little toe, but again, there's more detail put into these ones. So like spiky, and then another. And another. The final one, very small. Bum, ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. Right. Turbo Granny's feet. There you go. The drawing tutorial you were all waiting for. Loving the show though. It's funny, it's got action. The episodes go real quick, so that's how you know it's good. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.